A long time ago, when the world was full of magic, there lived a powerful but arrogant kung fu master called Monkey King.
After 7 years, it's finally finished.
My bad. Gugu was kidnapped by horrible, ugly, scary-looking. What am I gonna do? York.
It is a special technique, very difficult.
Can you teach it to me?